Hi, Melanie Grace here. New little video. I saw that the Missouri Star Quilt Company talked about this non-slip coating that you spray on the back of your templates or your cutting rulers. So I actually just bought Quilt in a Day. This is the 9.5 triangle square up plus ruler. And if you ever use like the clearly slotted thing, this is it, but you can cut really big and it's got the slits, but there's a little bit of stick. So this is gonna be my first round. We are gonna try this. We're gonna shake it up, we're gonna spray it, and we're gonna see if it truly does make this non-slip. So hang tight, I'm gonna flip this around. We're gonna take a look at everything together and hopefully this works, and I'm gonna spray it on all of my rulers. All right, so as the instructions, shake well, spray a thin layer 8 inches away, and then after 1 minute it should be dry. So I'm gonna make sure I do this on the wrong side, and hold on. All right. I should have done this part first. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I have this ready. Here is just a piece of fabric. We're just gonna test and see. It slides around pretty well. So the hope is this will stop all sliding. So we're supposed to shake it, shake, shake, shake. Once again, this is a grippy non-slip coating. It does say it is quick dry. All right. It's been about a minute. Can't really see. Oh, but I can feel it's got like this grainy texture now. I wonder if I should have waited. Oh my gosh. Wow. That worked almost instantaneously, guys. Wow. You can kind of tell there's like a little more fog on it. And this is incredible. You can kind of see, it's too much glare, but it's like, it's a lot more foggy than it was before. And to the touch, it's a little more grainy. I am definitely going to be spraying this on more of my rulers, and I'm actually thinking some of my free motion rulers could use some of this. So great product. I'm going to link this in my store. It'll be an Amazon affiliate link. Also this ruler, so when you're making those half square triangles, you can trim off those dog ears really easily. And all I have to say is wow. 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 I just have to say wow one more time.